I am going to see new topic of real analysis. What do we exactly mean by neighborhood of real number? We are not talking about topology right now. Topological space here as such real line. Okay? Let A be any real line and epsilon distance be greater than 0. Then how we define epsilon neighborhood of a point, which denoted as n epsilon a, is essentially interval made by epsilon around a, and it is the small interval a minus epsilon, a plus epsilon. Okay, let's see the figure. Let this is the point, any point A, and this is epsilon distance on left and right side. Then this will be a minus epsilon and this would be a plus epsilon. Okay. 1. If x belongs to n epsilon a, what will that mean? It is somewhere within the interval. That means d of xa strictly less than epsilon. That means any point of the neighborhood has property distance between any point and a less than epsilon. That imply absolute value of x minus a strictly less than epsilon. Okay. And second, this epsilon neighborhood is a small neighborhood with epsilon distance. Okay. And epsilon is very small positive distance. This true property is helpful in use of definition of neighborhood. That means neighborhood of A set of points which very close to A. Okay, that means x belongs to R such that modulus of x minus a strictly less than epsilon. This is the neighborhood of any point. That means neighborhood of any point is a set. Okay. Now let's see what is the definition of neighborhood. Definition. Let A subset of R and A belongs to R. Then S is said to be NVD of a point A if there exists an open interval I such that A belongs to I and I contain is. Second definition, or there exists epsilon such that A minus epsilon A plus epsilon contain S. This is the actual definition of neighborhood. Okay, let's see one example of neighborhood. For example, we need three things: set, points and epsilon. Here I consider set of all rational number and the point is 4. Now I need epsilon. Take epsilon equal to 0.5. Then the interval would be 3.5, 4.5. Okay. Then this interval contains infinite number of rational number and irrational number also. Okay. According to the definition of the neighborhood, we have to show this interval 3.5, 4.5 subset of Q. But Q only set of rational number which does not contain set of irrational number. But this interval contain rational irrational both. So we cannot say set of rational number is neighborhood of 4. Okay. When you talking about space, in that case neighborhood will be region around the point. So in that case everything around this point which is del epsilon away will be in the neighborhood. That means in space this is a circle around A with epsilon distance. Okay, let's see new topic, interior point. And actually definition of neighborhood and interior point has only one difference. What is the difference? The difference is when we talk about the set, then this set is neighborhood and the point is interior point. Okay, are you getting my point? Well, let's see definition of interior point. If a set A subset equal to R is an neighborhood of a point A, then the point A is an interior point of a set S. Okay, let's see the definition which I have discussed in neighborhood property. I have seen 4 is not NBD of Q. Okay, that imply 4 is not interior point of Q. Okay, are you getting my point? Well, now let's see interior point of a set. Interior point of a set is collection of all points which are interior point for a set S and is denoted as S interior. Okay, that means collection of all interior point of a set is interior point of a set. Let's see one example. A equal to close interval 0, 1. Okay. What will be the interior of a set? A interior will be open interval 0, 1. Let's see the picture. Here 0, closed 0, here closed 1. If you take around any interval around 0 that go outside from the set A, so 0 cannot be interior point. Okay, similarly 1. So only between all points are interior points. So A interior equal to open interval 0, 1. Are you getting my point? Now right. I want to see new notion, limit point. Before saying the definition, at first recall one thing. For A belongs to R, the epsilon neighborhood of A is V epsilon A equal to A minus epsilon A plus epsilon. What is the definition of limit point? Let's see. We say X is limit point of A with subset of R if for all epsilon greater than 0, V epsilon X intersect A contains at least one point other than X. Okay, we have denoted what is V epsilon X. This is the neighborhood contain X. Other word, V epsilon X other than X intersect A not equal to 5, and this is called deleted neighborhood. Okay, that means A point is a limit point if every deleted neighborhood intersect the set A. Okay, such point are sometimes called accumulation point, right? Well, in limit point, very important thing here, for all epsilon greater than 0. Okay, but interior point, if there exists an open interval, not for all, if exists one open interval which satisfies this relation, then this is called interior point. Let's look at an example of limit point. First look interior point. Let's consider the set A equal to open 0, closed 1. Then obviously 1 is not interior point of A. Okay, why? Let's see the picture. this is 0, this is close interval 1. If we consider a neighborhood around 1 that go outside the interval open 0 closed 1, so 1 is not interior point, okay, but 1 is always limit point, okay, because if we consider the neighborhood 1 minus epsilon, at first let epsilon be any positive number. Here consider arbitrary epsilon because in the definition for all epsilon, so we can consider epsilon any arbitrary. Then 1 minus epsilon 1 plus epsilon, remove the point 1 with intersect the set close open 0 closed 1 always not equal to 5, okay. It intersect at least one point of the edge always, so 1 is always limit point of the set open 0 closed 1, but 1 is not interior point, okay. Set of all limit point is called derived set, okay. Which is denoted as, if the set A be any set, then the derived set is denoted as A dash, okay. Let's see, find the limit point of Q, that means set of all rational number. Let P be any arbitrary number and epsilon be greater than 0. Then epsilon neighborhood of P is P minus epsilon, P plus epsilon, okay. Let's see the picture. This is P, this is P minus epsilon, this is P plus epsilon. We all of us know density property of real number, density property of rational number. Between any two rational number there exists always a rational number. That means this epsilon neighborhood always contain at least one point other than P, okay. So Q derived set equal to R, because P is any arbitrary real number, so all real number is limit point of Q, okay.